Elevate your Blender experience with the Quick Menu Addon, a straightforward productivity tool designed to streamline your creative process. Ideal for both seasoned professionals and beginners, this add-on is a time-saving gem that revolutionizes your workflow with just one click. This add-on is tailored for Blender 4 and above, ensuring compatibility with the latest versions of the software. To get started, effortlessly download the add-on from GitHub and install it within Blender by navigating to Edit, Preferences, Add-ons, then pressing Install. Once installed, head to the 3D view and simply press D, unveiling a convenient pop-up menu packed with a plethora of options. Whether you're a seasoned Blender artist or a newcomer, Quick Menu streamlines your creative process, allowing you to focus more on your art and less on navigating menus. Elevate your Blender experience and unlock new possibilities with this essential add-on.